If you have been wondering whether chatting to lonely people is a legit way of making money, then this video is for you because I tried it and I'm going to show you exactly how much I was able to make, how much you can potentially make, and also give you tips on how you can become a professional chat operator. If Now, without wasting any more time, thank you for watching and welcome. My name is Mpho Candace. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. So this is the website that we will be looking at. As you can see, it's called Remotely For You. This is how their homepage looks like. You're going to become a chat operator and you can work from anywhere. So when we go down, this is where you can get started with the application process, which we're going to be looking at in a later stage. So for you to get started, you follow these 3 simple steps. The first step is easy application. So here they only need your email address and your name so that they can send you further details. The second step is ID verification. So you need to be 18 years and older because of the nature of this platform. They are required by the law to conduct a sample of ID verification. The third step is online training. So here it says once your application has been approved, and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you can start working. So when we go down, this is what you're going to be chatting about. So here it says you will chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports, or the weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. An open mind is needed. So as a chat operator, you will be 100% anonymous. This is a text only platform, no videos and no voice. You will work independently with flexibility, so you will have a flexible schedule. Here it says, and more depending on how often you work. So the more you work, the more you will be able to earn. It also says help those who need someone to talk to. So when we go down, we're going to be looking at the salary. Before we go to the salary, here it says as long as you've got access to the internet and have a PC or a laptop, you can start working on this platform. Your salary is based on different factors such as the time that you will be working, traffic, holidays, and more. So they don't have like a basic salary. Your basic salary is determined by different factors, right? So here it says it is hard for us to say exactly how much your salary will be, but a skilled agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 to $300 weekly. Some of the top agents make more than $3,000 a month. So this is what they're saying on their platform. So when we go down, so here it says we pay weekly and payment is in euro through online payment service. On Remotely For You, they've got 2 payment options. The first one is YourSave and the second one is Wise. I'm using Wise as my payment option, and for you to have an account with Wise, you need to either have a smart ID card or a driver's license. You cannot create an account with your green ID book. So when we go to the bottom, these are the requirements. You must be able to read and write in English, be 18 years and older, agree to their terms and condition or their privacy policy. You need to be responsible for your own equipment, which is your laptop and your internet. They will not provide for you any equipment, and you need a minimum number of messages per week. You need to send a minimum number of messages per week for your account to remain active. So when you go to the bottom, they explain why they need to see your ID. I think you can simply come here and read on why they need to see your ID, and they have made an example of how much you can potentially earn from week 1, week 2, and week 4 plus. So for you to get started, you simply come to the top to where it says application or start with your application. So this is where you get started. you need to enter in your first name. So we're going to enter my name, Mpho, and then your last name, Candace, and then you're going to enter in your email address, Mpho Candace, and then you're going to agree to their terms and condition, and then send your application. After sending your application, they're going to send you an email. So on that email, they'll send you a link, right? After sending you a link, you will need to do an e-valid, which is an ID verification. So when it comes to the ID verification, they only require smart IDs. So if you have a smart ID or a driver's license or a passport, you will be able to do the e-valid. It is not applicable for people that have a green ID book. If you've got a green ID book, but you also have a driver's license, use your driver's license to do an e-valid. If you have watched until this far, thank you so much for your continuous support. I'm going to take this opportunity to ask you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It does not cost anything. It is just to support this channel and help this community grow. So I'm going to give you 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button. Now that you are part of this community, thank you so much. Can you kindly leave a comment down in the comment section saying that you are a new subscriber so that I can welcome you? I'm going to come here and show you guys my payment proof. So I'm going to type in WISE and then come to the first payment, which was on the 12th of, no, on the 7th of December 2023. I got 28 euros and 14 cents from Entertalk Pro, which is remotely for you company. And this was after a week of working on this platform. And then the other payment was on, it was on the 28th of December 2023, and I received 22 euros from Talk Pro Limited, right? So this is the payment proof from Remotely for You. Now that we've seen that Remotely for You is a legit platform that pays people real money for chatting to lonely people, here are some tips you can take into consideration. If you want to claim more messages, try working during peak hours, which is from 8 o'clock in South Africa to 3 a.m. If you want to make passive income, invite people by using their referral program. Take the link and invite people on different social media platforms. Take note that privacy is important when it comes to this platform, and also I love the fact that they pay on a weekly basis. Your hard work will never go unnoticed. If you put in the work, they will definitely reward you for that. And also, they do not just deactivate your account, they give you a warning. I've had 2 warnings already, so they give you a warning as to what you have done wrong so that you don't repeat the same mistake. So thank you for watching until this far. Until the next video,